guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for always coming back. Today I've always wanted to make this video because I watched Ope's video and it was really interesting, so I've always wanted to make mine. I'll be doing my makeup today. I'm not so good with makeup, guys. I don't have everything. I'm very conservative. I don't know if that's the word, but this is going to be a very simple makeup, nothing extra, no extra this, just something really simple. And I will let some of the baby boy for life I know talk you guys through the makeup process. I just want to know if they have any clue, because these guys, they are the ones that knows the best girl, you know, the girl that is looking peng and all of those stuff. So I want to know if they have any clue what it takes to look good. Do you get me? So like I said, I'll be letting them talk you guys through the makeup process. Please grab the popcorn, grab something to drink, and let's get started. Please guys, I'm not a pro makeup artist. I'm just a normal person that can apply foundation on her face, so don't come for me, okay? I'll just be doing my normal everyday makeup, just something really simple, you know. Yes, so I don't have anything on my face. My hands are also clean.
Hey, what is up guys? My name is Jibril, but you can find me on Instagram, JB_Abuki, aka, and I ran out of AKAs.
Normal everyday makeup. Are you normal? Okay, let's see how normal this is.
First of all, Patricia is using something like this.
I think it's toothpaste. Oh no, maybe, I don't know.
She's putting it on the north, south, and the eastern and western part of her face,
just to make sure the face kind of has some moisture on it, or would I say it's not as dry as we saw it before. Okay, so she's moving from dry to wet.
So yeah, she's rubbing the foundation in, because well, if you're building a house, you start with a foundation, right? I believe this will be the base. She's rubbing something else again.
Okay, so I think this is another brand, so that it, you know, it just feels
yeah, it's not the same as the first one. Now the first base, this is the second base of the foundation.
This is now becoming really interesting. Even some changes are happening already. Okay, so just rub it around the face and make sure your face looks you know, like something can go on it again, because this thing is just layer by layer, and at this point now it's just for you to make sure, yes, that other things can go on it.
Yeah, he's rubbing it. I guess maybe there will be a third one. I'm predicting there will be a third one. Hey, sit well now.
Why are you smiling like this? Are you normal?
Another foundation? Oh no, this is a spray. What is this? I
don't know what she just sprayed on her face. I believe it's perfume, I don't know. And then now we are going to put the, I think this is going to be the foundation.
This should be the third base of the foundation. Yes, I nailed it. What I don't understand is, why is she rubbing the same color on her skin? It's already the same color as her skin. It's brown, right?
Hey, this thing is too much. Look at what she's hiding. Hey, even on her behavior. Does she even have behavior? I don't know. Nah. This one is like but I think when she just plaster it all around, now she picks
Mr. Fluffy, yeah, and she's gently pressing the third base foundation on her face.
That is the main plasterer, so you use this to make sure it fills every hole. Hey, something is happening. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? This girl is something else. Anyway, at this point, as you can see now, she's doing some plastering to make sure that all the holes, or as in or any kind of hole anywhere, is supposed to be filled, and then you cover all those pimples and that would never go off, no matter what lotion you apply. Even if you apply Calaman lotion, it will not go.
So here we go. Yeah, she's using this fluffy tool real nice, because the foundation has already gelled on the skin right now. So yeah, man, it should be done soon, because hey, yeah, Patricia is a fine girl though.
At this point, you see what she
okay, now she carry eye pencil. She's using eye pencil to clean the, no, this is the eyebrow pencil. Now she's using the eyebrow pencil to draw the lines of the eyebrow, making it sharp.
What is this one? Let me look again. I comb. So this one, you comb the eyebrow so that, you know, it stays in form. Some people will just shave everything and just be using eye pencil to draw, but anyway, she just tries. She keep her own. I knew it. She would draw. As you can see, she's drawing. So at this point now, Anyaya black, sharply. As in the way she's just drawing the thing, she just wants to make sure it is precise. Anyway, I don't know why, but I guess it's just to make sure she looks good. She told us she's not a pro makeup artist. Look at this. Oh, is this possible? Is this a normal makeup? No, this is not a normal makeup. This is a really professional makeup from what I am seeing. As you can see, she's making sure she's keeping it precise. Now, when you are drawing this thing too much, you are not a normal makeup artist, or would I say an expert?
Looking all good. I see you, girl. Do your thing. Keep your tongue in your mouth, girl.
Why are you giving me your tongue, massa? What is this one again? I thought you finished combing it now. What are you doing again? Sorry if you don't understand what I'm speaking. I just like to keep it real as possible. Anyway, please don't come for me. Go for her in the comment section.
So this should be another eyebrow brush. She picks Mr. Fluffy again to marinate the face some more. So she's marinating the face with the foundation that she applied earlier.
What is this one now? Hey, this one is just to protect the eye. You know this girl, she did it like cry baby.
And right now she is painting the bags, the eye bags. Maybe she slept too much, or she just woke up here. So those eye bags, man. Oh, in the morning. Why is she putting it on her chin, on the nose too?
This is what we now call contouring. How can I not know this one? Contouring, to give her pointed nose. See as her nose there. It's not pointed actually, but this is just to make sure it gives that definition. She's even dancing. She's already seeing what she wants to see at the end of the video.
This should be the fourth base of the foundation.
At this point now, even what the way she just look like one masquerade like that in my village, but when she just start plastering it all around and blending it, you can see now the eye bag is blending. That's what we call it in my language. But now she has hidden it. So when you look at these girls, especially when you look at Patricia, see her before she does all these things she's doing. If not, you confuse her to be Angelina Jolie or someone else you don't even know. Oh shit, as you can see now, she has blended it as in from the akpanya to the as in pomo area of the face. As you can see now, it is really amazing.
Because after this she probably rub powder. So this is the fourth base of the foundation. So hey girl, I see you. Ladies and gentlemen, I have realized on the fourth foundation she's rubbing it in the face with Mr. Fluffy right now. And yeah, as you can see, it is gelling with the skin. It is becoming one. And by the way, makeup is an art, guys. I swear I can't do this because these steps, man. I think she's done now. She just need lipstick now, Abby. Oh, she never rub powder. You never rub powder. Yeah. There goes the this.
What is this one now? Hey, powder.
Powder. I told you guys, I knew it. Powder finally. Yeah, rubbing the powder.
For her to be doing this just on the eye bag, concentrating this much, so but wow, something is going on. And you see, it's still around the same area she applied the other plaster, or would I say the other? I think it's concealer. I don't know. I not too sabi this thing. Not even things I sabi. Oh shit. I don't know. For me, I cannot be looking at the camera, even looking at mirror. I don't even know how to balance it.
Face brush. She's brushing the powder in. Yeah, you see, ladies and gentlemen, I do know loads about makeup, man. I look at my lady partner when she's doing makeup, so I know.
Nah, what is it? No brushing, no, we're busy blending. This brush, I think, is really important when it comes to makeup. As you can see, Patricia really knows how to do this thing, and she's saying, no, she's not a professional makeup artist. Look at what she's doing.
This is
flawless. What makes this flawless? Still contouring the nose.
What is this? Another powder. So yeah, she's rubbing powder in the eye area and the nose area, which does not make sense to me, but yeah.
So this one, I'll call it let me think about it. I think I'll call this one contour liner. Yeah, so it lines it from the side to make sure it still reveals.
And the cheeks too. But why are you not using the big brush? Use the big brush, it's easier, man. Use the big brush.
Onyezi line na pomo. Onyezi line na pomo. Patricia has a really slim face. You understand? That I think she needs to be eating plenty.
Man, girls, just make life easy. Use big brush. Another powder again. Okay, so I get the point. This is a highlighting powder. You use it to highlight your edges or places that stand out in the face, like the ones that you use it to highlight
still contour again. Naika gunam.
It should be a highlighter. You use it to highlight edges because I edit pictures. So yeah, it makes sense because right now her nose looks like it's in 3D. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is what it is meant for.
So this is what this girl goes through to look the way she looks on her videos. Hey, now the Quarizio Nanka Buka investment. This face is very costly. This is now called pomo liner. We line the pomo and make sure that it is shining.
What else again? Which one? This one is eye pencil. She's using eye pencil to darken the eyelid.
This is called eyelid revealer.
This is for the eyes again. Wow. Well, I thought you said this was an everyday makeup. How is this everyday makeup? I'm tired of watching already. What else do we have? Lipstick. Lipstick has its own foundation too. You have to rub something on the base before you apply the lipstick. Now I'm lucky. We are lucky that the lipstick did not take forever. Look at those lips. Fine, yeah.
Because the lipstick or gum cause the glucon on. Oh, lip gloss. I'm all these things. Yeah, lip gloss. She's putting lip gloss so that when you look at her, like when she's talking, you just look at her lips like this. Hey.
I'm pretty sure this is the end of the video. You use the face brush, the big one, and just brush everything. Wow.
As you can see, all the finish here now. Where is there no again? As no perfume again. Is it about the hair? This okay, but this hair is really amazing on her, as you can see. But amazing. God, deception in the highest order.
Wow, hey, beautiful. Yeah, ready to go. But I don't believe this is an everyday makeup because come on, man, you spent forever doing this. Is this how long ladies take? See fine, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, drop a comment, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff for my girl Patricia.
Anyways, we've come to the end of this video. I have nothing to say to both of them. That's it for today. Thank you guys for staying tuned. If you watch up until this place, thank you. You're a real one. Thank you. Consider subscribing, share my videos with your friends, and see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay beautiful, put on some makeup, and do whatever makes you happy. Because 2020, it's all about your own happiness. Before I leave, guys, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support me, please. Thank you guys for 5K subscribers. My audience retention is really low. Help your girl, guys. Help my ministry, please. Share this video with your friends and watch my other videos. I'll leave some of them somewhere here. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay beautiful.